스트레스 받아.
승아야, 스트레스 받는다고? 스트레스 해소 방법을 추천해주는 어플이 있다던데 한번 사용해볼래?
그게 뭐야?
아직도 이 앱을 몰라? 내가 자세히 설명해줄게. 야라랑. Hello, I'm Woo-seung-ah and Baek-seung-ha, who created an application that recommended how to relieve stress by MBTI as using Android Studio. Are you satisfied with your last midterm? There may be some who did well on the test and others who didn't, but everyone must have been under a lot of stress about studying for the test. Korea's academic stress index was 50.5%. It is the highest rate among 23rd out of countries surveyed by UNICEF. In addition to students, Korea's well-being index as of 2018 was 51.7 points, ranking 23rd out of 23 countries, living under a lot of stress. These stresses need to be relieved, but few people know an appropriate way to relieve stress, even if they don't know the importance. So, I have devised an app that can reduce stress by sharing tricks with others through the app that recommends how to relieve stress MBTI. We call this app RISA, which means leather in Spanish. Like this meaning, we choose its name hoping that everyone who uses our app will be full of leather.
We thought about how to relieve stress that users receive and how to help users a little bit. The way we thought about it was to take advantage of overall color of the app that was most direct and could be implemented through the app. To utilize this, we analyzed a research paper on color response to elevate emotional instability. Through this paper, we learned 10 out of 60 MBTI help relieve depression emotion by light red. By referring to this, we made login screen and most of the main screen colors light red. The screen behind here is an example. In this way, its MBTI produced different screen color to help relieve depression. There are two ways to log in. First, to sign up and log into an email on Firebase, or second, to get a login verification through Firebase after logging in using a Google account. We thought about how to categorize the different personalities. We thought that its MBTI has a different way of relieving stress. This is why we chose MBTI as a classification standard. We conducted a survey of people to see if our thoughts are true. Let me show you some of the MBTI results from the survey. Most ENFPs like to talk to close friends, and most ISTPs like to have time alone. Result: time alone. ENTPs like talking to close friends, watching favorite celebrity videos, going nature, and shopping. Among the results of the MBTI survey, the most noticeable difference was between extrovert and introvert. Having strong extrovert tendencies answered that they talk to close friends, and having strong introvert tendencies answered that they have time alone. The result of the MBTI survey, we reached conclusion its MBTI has a different way of relieving stress.
Let's go back to the app. If you choose your MBTI, you can see some posts uploaded by others with the same MBTI as you. You can see what symptoms they are experiencing now and how they are relieving their stress through the uploaded posts. On the contrary, if you want to introduce your way of relieving stress, select an image that suits your way of relieving stress, write the writings, and click Uploaded button. Then the post will be up. At this time, the photo is divided into a full view, a view of only me, and view of only close friends. So users can use it as a diary that they can really see as long as you share information how to relieve stress. You choose images and write the writing like the screen behind me, and select the publication scope. You can see that the writing has been uploaded to one page. On the user's page, you can see the posts. You can know that the account number of followers and followers, and we also created a data model that can systemically manage uploaded photo as data. Users can also comment about likes and posts. Using the conditional statement, we divided the like button into divided and clicked it and not clicked it so that the like count doesn't overlap. We also created a function to fill in the heart red when clicked it. Aren't you curious about another way to relieve stress? Pressing button on the top, you can see the post. Pressing on the button top allows you to check some posts uploaded by others of other MBTI.
Usually, when people feel stressed, they search on the internet or ask others for advice to relieve stress. But maybe when you try this method, it doesn't work or even increases stress. I think we can solve this kind of problem through our app. The process of sharing each other's of stress relief method and analyzing posts and being recommended the appropriate stress relief method, you will find suitable stress relief methods for you. We conducted a survey of people who actually want to use the app when we create this app. According to the survey, 81.9% answered they actually want to use it. Based on this result, we reached conclusion if our app actually commercialized, they would work for people. That's all for the presentation. Thank you for your attention.
하진 씨는 MBTI가 어떻게 되세요?
저는 ENTJ요. 우혁 씨는요?
저는 ISTP인데 저도 혼자만의 시간을 갖는 걸 좋아해가지고 발표를 들으면서 꽤 신빙성이 있어 보였습니다.